about
Guide there na eh. Magpapa.
oo.
Guide there. Wala yung papatanong? Papatanong? Patanong? Oo. Siya na? Wala din ang oo, bilang buwanan. Tigil yun. Wala signal dito.
Dito pa na sa ano, babaan sa Corona signal.
Ha?
Pero stasyon ng signal. Kita naman building ano. Nandun to si Buray. Oh, nandun na si Buray. Nakatadalo sa Cebu karon. Welcome to Cebu. Oh, Cebu. Arrival. Talaga ano? Oh, yeah. Oh, grabe ah. Para mag-Sandres. Para mag-bus. Apa ada? Oh. Nandun na si Buray oh. Welcome home. Welcome home.
Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Mactan, Cebu in Lapu-Lapu City. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by Captain Lebron and First Officer Ayub, along with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was really a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you for flying Cebu Pacific.
Thank you. Grabe, 9 years mo lang ako ulit, karoon pa ko ulit.
Oh?
Oh.
Your safety is important to us, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Avoid standing up or going to the lavatories. Exercise caution when opening the overhead bins, as the items inside might have been dislodged or shifted during the flight.
Alright.
I need adherence to physical distancing. You will be deplaning by rows. Please remain seated and wait for your row numbers to be called before you stand to get your bags and thank you.
Gana?
Ha?
Bungog. Eh, dalunggan ba? Alright.
Ulan din eh.
Ilan na Cebu? One tayo. Alright, see you guys.